An pynlong ka Sneh society ya ka North East Sustainable Fashion ya ka fashion show 2000 arpulai hangni hanong ba Shillong. Habakran shiklar pathai khubor haka arpho tarik matau benai no pra 2000 arpho kanong seng jo ka Sneh society ka kong priti thapa harangkat ka jinga donlang ka kong sweetie pala kilaya thu ba na kalyang jo ka ni kun hon kin pynlong ya ka rynsan ya ko ban pen ie ki sap ki phong ba kinong shong shnong ka jala ki Hakani ka rynsan iakop kila jit tangi kinong shong shnong ka jala megalia me ki bana bar. Show la ban rap yakani daka kong sweetie barklay thuru ba kani ka fashion show kan kun thup lang ya baro khot ki long kami ki long kpa ki khon samna shinrang bat kan thei ki khlung ki khna ban pun pau par thei ya la ka jong ka sap ka phong ka ba ublei ulai karpang
who feel that they have the talent. So no matter what, you're single, you're married, you're plus size, and everybody is invited for this show. We just want to showcase their talent, and we don't have like no bias at anything or any point, because we just want to showcase talent, because anybody can have talent, right? Be it you're fat, be it you're thin, be it you're slim, be it you're beautiful, be it you're black, be it you're white. It's like everybody has talent. So we just want to showcase that talent. And after doing Onata, I realized just one thing, that everybody goes through a lot at some point. We cannot say that my problem is like, oh my god, I am having this problem, and like this is the problem of my life and all that. That is all nonsense actually, because everybody goes through some problem at some point of time. So we just want to fight, and we just want to come across that, fight it and just come across that. So my point is, now we just want to focus on one thing, and that is to bring out all the focused on people who needs our help now.